In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Epic Games account. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Epic Games on your browser and sign in to your Epic Games account. Now go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen where you can find your display name on Epic Games. And in here, go ahead and click on account and this will take you to your account settings. Now scroll down at the bottom of your account settings and you'll be able to find the option to download your data on Epic Games or delete your account on Epic Games. So go ahead and click on request account delete button to be able to request account deletion on Epic Games. So once you request your account to get deleted, your account will be deleted in 14 days. So go ahead and click on the delete account button, and in here you'll need to enter a security code that Epic Games sent to your email to be able to confirm your action of deleting your account on Epic Games. After that, just go ahead and select the reason why you want to delete your account on Epic Games. You can also skip this part if you don't have any reason to delete your account on the platform. Now go ahead and click on the logout button, and that's how you can simply delete your account on Epic Games. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.